Shopping app Temu has become the most downloaded shopping app in the United States, despite tensions with China. Eunice Yoon joins us right now with a look at the company's strategy. Eunice, good morning, or good evening there.
Hey, Becky. Well, Temu is short for Team Up, Price Down. The company sources from workshops like this one in the manufacturing town of Wenzhou, where a faux leather jacket can be made for $4 a piece. So the company says that it's able to pass on those cost savings to American consumers by leveraging off the logistics network of its parent, China's NASDAQ-listed PDD.
Chinese apparel maker Yanpu had no idea how to sell to the U.S. until shopping app Temu came along.
The overseas market is like an open ocean, he says.
This jacket is the most sought-after item that Yan sells to his American customers. Before joining Temu, he had 0 U.S. business. Now he sells 400 of these a month.
The app, backed by Chinese-owned e-retailer PDD, launched last September and already has 24 million downloads in the U.S. The secret? Super low prices. Temu's bargain prices appeal to cost-conscious Americans. Right now, all of Yan's products on the site sell for under $60. He says Temu insists prices for his faux leather and fur jackets need to be lower than anywhere else, even China. Temu covers all his shipping to the U.S. and half in China. It handles his marketing on Twitter and Instagram and provides technology so he can easily swap out Chinese fashion models in his ads for Western ones. Amid tense U.S.-China relations, Temu downplays its Chinese roots. The company is headquartered in Boston. And nothing is more American than advertising during the Super Bowl, which is what Temu did. Yan is no NFL fan, but says the ad boosted his sales 30%. Customers don't care about the politics, he says. They just like our stuff.
And Yan told me that selling overseas at this time is critical for small businesses like his because, from his perspective, the Chinese economy is slowing down and the e-retailing space is hyper-competitive. Guys?
Hey, Eunice, if that jacket costs $4 to make, what does it go for? What are you paying?
It's going for $29 on Temu, but $30 in China. So that's the way that they're trying to make sure that all of these small businesses go with Temu.
And in terms of the economic potential downturn, I mean, we talk about that all the time. Is a recession coming? Are consumers going to start feeling the pinch? It hasn't shown up yet, but I would guess that that's something that he's not concerned about, because if consumers are having less money to spend, they'll be looking for better bargains.
Well, he thinks that in the U.S., people are cost-conscious, but that the situation in the U.S. is better than it is here. So he was explaining to me that it's hyper-competitive. We see that with JD, for example. They're supposedly rolling out a subsidy program to the tune of $1.5 billion. There was a lot of discussion from Alibaba's investor call where people were asking if Alibaba is going to be unveiling subsidies as well. They said no. Pinduoduo, which is also a competitor in that space, said that they've been cutting prices. So people are kind of looking at how hyper-competitive the space is here, and these small businesses are saying maybe it's a good time to try to explore other markets.
Eunice, thank you.